Hi guys, what's up? I'm Reen, and today I want to share my experiences to how to engrave on canvas with the xTool D1 Pro and how to change this into this. Let's get it on.
First of all, we have to find a picture like this, then right click, save as, and let's take it on the desktop, say Iron Man helmet, save, yes, I downloaded it first. So then we are going to Imager, go to Upload, take the helmet. So now you see it here. Then we will resize it. So no fixed aspect ratio. Our canvas was 250 to 250, and we will change the DPI up to 318. So that will be the best results regarding to the laser spot. So now you see here the picture, and let's change the material. Material, we take Norton, and Norton, like you are doing some tiles. This is canvas, it's like the same. Okay, we will choose it. Now you see it looks really nice. Let's go up to download it, download the PNG. So let's move to the next step. See you. So now we're in the xTool creative space. We will open up the picture we already have. So let's take it and place it in here. So first of all, take the sharpness and put it to the maximum. Then go up to power 28 and the speed up to 100. So that is okay, and we put the lines up to 160. So that is it. Now we can go up to start. You will see it is around, or I will say 170, 180 minutes. Okay, 175. So let's see.
There. And guys, wasn't it easy to create something like this? So you can see beautiful colors, and in just a minimum of time you can engrave it at home with your xTool D1 Pro. So thank you for watching this video, and maybe we see as soon as possible. Thanks you. Bye.